Hi everyone, it's me again. How are you doing today? I'm just dropping in with another quick tip for you to do with journaling. I see a lot of pages that just have a description of what's in the picture. So you might just describe the picture when you're doing a page layout. Now, the problem with that is, of course, people can see what's in the picture already. So just to add more interest and to do something really different, just think about a memory from that photo that you can't see by just looking at the photograph. So something interesting, a funny thing that happened, or a special memory that you didn't get a picture of. Just something different to add to the page rather than just describing the photo. Okay, and thanks for watching. I'll see you again soon. Bye.